All right, what's going on, YouTube? How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader, and you're on the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. I'm on a job site, as you can tell, and just here to help you. I've been working 16-hour days here, and I bring my laptop to work, run it off a hotspot, and here we go. So committed to helping you guys know what's going on with the waves. So I'm gonna just give you an Elliott wave analysis here, and let you know what I'm seeing, and ask some questions, and give you no answers, just give you some potentials. Okay, don't never have any answers, never have any exact, I'll give you my bias. I'll let you know what I think, but what I think could be wrong. But at least you'll get what I think on this channel. There's so many other channels. It could go up, could go down. Of course it could. Everybody knows that. It could go up, could go. Well, what do you think? Well, it might go up, it might go down. That's what you get on a lot of channels, but not here. You're gonna get. I'm gonna give you the analysis and then give you my bias. Okay. All right. Don't forget, this isn't financial advice. Just the way I see the market, and I'm sharing it with you. All right. Let's jump in. So basically, the quick and the short of it here is we're waiting for a reversal. We're waiting for a large correction here, a largest correction that breaks the structure. Okay. In other words, I said this last video, but I'll say it again. That as Elliott Wave traders, guys, we love to see a correction that breaks the structure. Okay. Now I'm drawing this trend line here. I'm trying to find the best way to draw it. There we go. You got this trend line here. We want to see a correction that's going to bring it to the downside, break out of that structure. Okay. We haven't done that yet. All we have is basically a correction that came down to structure. It was $1,000 dump and it was one candle, so everybody gets a little hot-headed during those types, but nevertheless, so we might still have some more upside. So let's talk about the potentials and see what's going on. I'm kind of looking for downside here, another hit to the downside, but yeah, we'll see. I'm going to show you the evidence, tell you what I'm thinking. Okay, first off, this wave is just a pile of dog vomit. I don't know what it is, guys. The wave structures are quite difficult, but if I were to count it as an impulse, I got to start with the second low here, and there's an impulse there. There's a two wave. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the 3. This is the 4, and we would maybe be in an ending diagonal fifth wave. Okay, so is that possible? Maybe, maybe. I don't know. I can't tell you. But yeah, are we in a fifth wave that's an ending diagonal? Let's finish it out. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more hit to the high. Everybody FOMOs. And you know what happens after diagonal? You get a down move. So there's an idea on the table. Let's just guess in here what it might be. What else could it be? Well, let's see. We could just be in a 1-2 and a 1-2 of the next wave, which would be hugely bullish, guys. That's big time bullish. If we got a 1-2, 1-2, then what we're looking at here, if we just ran the fibs there we go, guys, we're looking at, whoo, baby, 12,500 to 13,700. Here's the way that wave would form. Basically, this would be the one wave, that's the two wave, 3 would come up here, 4 and 5 like that, and we'd basically be getting an extended fifth wave is what we'd be getting. Let's be a little bit more precise in building this particular wave right here. We got a 1 and a 2. I didn't do too bad there. I mean, the 3 could come as low as that. I don't think so. I mean, the shape isn't there for that, but okay, so 12,500 potential top there, but it's just this is too big here. So it's too big. So I think probably we come up to the 2618 on the third on a gigantic candle here to the upside, just a booming candle to the upside, or a couple of candles. Boom, boom, like that. We create the divergence on the RSI, and down we would go. Okay, so there's an idea as well. So we'll have to watch and see. Can't tell you what's gonna happen. That's just a way to interpret this in a very bullish manner. Okay, where would that be in the in the grand scheme of things? If it's a bullish interpretation, what would that be? Well, glad you asked. This would be a one wave. Okay. Basically, what we would have, here's the bottom, here's the low. This was all one wave. We had a three-wave correction. We had another impulse off. We had a three-wave correction. And so this is a 1, 2. So this would actually be part of a 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this would be a 1 and we get another 2. We get nested 1-2s here, guys. That's huge. I mean, that's just gigantic bull. Okay, that's just. Let me just show you where. Let me go to the weekly to show you. Okay, where we're headed if that's the bull case. Da, 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 da. Moon Boy's getting excited. Bear's getting mad at me. I'm going to get a lot of negative a lot of negative comments on this one for sure. Whenever I talk about potential moon, 1, 2, 3, that looks really dumpy. I'd take it up here to 32,000 on that third wave and continuing on up there like that. That is gigantic, guys. It's gigantic, and that is just the. That's just the. Let's see. What would that be? Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's putting us up here. Extended fifth there. 54,000 for the third wave. Okay, what we'd be doing is like this, basically. Just having some fun here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Oh man, that gets us up to $100,000, guys. All right, that's how we get to $100,000 by 2027. Okay. Yeah, it ain't gonna happen this year. It's just not gonna happen. Okay. It ain't gonna hit 46K this year, guys. It ain't gonna hit 25,000. It could hit 25,000 this year. It's 2021. Yeah, guys, it is. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just not going there. So that's bull. That's the bull way to do it. Okay, so that's the bullish interpretation, guys. That's the way I'm looking at that wave in a bullish fashion. Okay, what is the bear count? Let's talk about that. Bears, you get excited now. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. All right. What's the bear count? Well, the bear count just puts us as a three wave. Um, let's see. Did we break that high? We did not break that high, guys. We came right up to it, slammed it, didn't break it. I'm not believing the bear count much anymore. What do you do with this? What do you do? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Because of this right here. What do you do with that? You'd have to tie the Y in over here. But I don't like it. Don't like it, guys. Bear count's a tricky one. Yeah, it's a tricky one for sure. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. I just don't like this shape right there. This shape right there. Now, just looking at it, guys, it looks like it looks like a three-wave move. Okay. If I put the fibs on it, it's a one-to-one extension. Okay, so it's corrective in its measurement. But again, this could be a 1-2. That could be a 1-2 right there, and we're making another one, and then gonna get another 2 here shortly before we head on up big time. Um, yeah, having a hard time with this count, guys. Really, really am the bear count. I don't know how to delineate it for. What do you got? Best way I've got is W, X, and then Y, but I need three waves in Y. Yeah, guys, tough right there. That's on the macro. I need to do some work on that and come back to that. Sorry, guys. Let's look at the micro here, guys. I don't have a macro count here. That wave, I need to do some work on that. Wow. Sorry, guys. Wow, what a cruddy cruddy video for sure. I thumbs down this one. I thumbs down this one big time. Sorry, I'm just having kind of a time here. let's talk about what this wave is here. This looks very impulsive, obviously, but let me show you another place where that looked impulsive. Right here, that looked impulsive. Hey, it's not. It turned out to be corrective. This looks impulsive. Probably going to turn out to be corrective. I'm just kind of feeling like, guys, just a feeling that we're getting this big down move, but it's just going to be eaten up here by this wave right here. It's just gonna be eaten up like crazy. So I'm going to be watching for that. We'll see what happens there. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got here. So if this is impulse, guys, we would be expecting a three-way down like that. That kind of puts us a breaking structure there. So let's really, really watch the next move, guys. Is there any kind of help on the small time frame, guys? Yeah, there is actually. Let's look at the fibs. Okay. Now, first thing I'm seeing here let's go to the 1 hour for a minute. Get big here. There we go. Right here we have hidden bearish divergence working right now. It's in the works. It's not there yet on the 1 hour, but it's in the works. In other words, once this thing kind of comes up here, we're going to be making a higher high while we're going to be making it lower low, because this is going to come on up like that. And so basically this is looking kind of corrective to me, but it could be the start of something bullish here. They could be making this a leading diagonal, 1 2 3 4 5 with a three-wave pullback. In fact, that's mainly the way they're doing it, guys. The leading diagonals are they look corrective, but they're impulsive. So the leading diagonals, Bitcoin has them all over the place, and this looks like it might be one of them. Yeah, there it is, right there. Come on, there we go. Well, I'm trying to get it, guys. There it is, right there. Boom. Yeah, it's looking like a leading diagonal, guys. Which actually changes the way I'm interpreting this. This is really kind of looking bullish, guys. It really is. I would expect this wave to come on up. 1 2. Now we're going to come on up here. If we get up to 10,000, if we come up back to this region up here, guys, then it's going to be, it's going to be on. Okay, so if we get back up here to 10,100, so watch out for that. If that's a leading diagonal, and we get up here to this range right here, 10,150, it's going to pull back a little bit and continue on. Okay, now if this is not a leading diagonal, it's just a corrective wave. Okay, let's talk about that. If it's just a corrective three wave, then we're looking for something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Come up to this, about retest 10,000, the bottom of the structure right here, and then we're going to come on down from there. Okay, guys, just looking at this, giving my unbiased first chance I've really had a chance to look at the chart. I often just turn the record on and start looking at the chart with you, looking heavily at the chart. Guys, I'm looking a little bullish for now. It's looking a little bullish. Okay, I'm kind of a bear, guys. I'm a bear at heart, but this is looking pretty bullish. So be careful, guys. If you're short, consider just make sure you have stops in place. Okay, because it could still come on down. The hidden bear, to me, the hidden bearish divergence is compelling. You can really see it on the 30-minute here, where prices actually come above this peak already. So the hidden bearish divergence is there on the smaller time frames, so that's compelling to me. But they can wipe that out with a large enough move with price. Okay, so be careful. That's my bias for now. Sorry, it's just a little bit discombobulated video. Yeah, it's okay to thumbs down this one, guys, but thumbs up for some grace and mercy, if you would. That'd be awesome. You guys have a great day. That's the analysis for now. Looking kind of bullish, guys. Looking kind of bullish. We're going to have some targets up here in the 11 to 12,000 range. So we'll bring some information as that wave starts to develop. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.